This is Allen De Leon of Allen Online TV. We will be taking time out in our regular video episode to give way to this breaking news update. Kaninang umaga habang si Francis Leo Marcos ay nasa labas ng kanyang opisina at inaasikaso niya ang mga bigas at kalabasa na kanyang ipamimigay, doon po siya dinampot at inaresto ng mga taga-NBI. Nalaman natin na ito'y totoo nung maiulat na ito ng ABS-CBN News sa kanilang website. According to ABS-CBN News, NBI arrests YouTuber Francis Leo Marcos for alleged violations of the optometry law. Manila, the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI on Tuesday arrested an internet personality for alleged violation of the optometry law. The NBI Cybercrime Division took custody of Francis Leo Marcos, a businessman, over a case filed against him in Baguio City. Details on the case have yet to be released. Marcos, a businessman, became known online for his Mayaman Challenge, where he urges neighbors in his affluent Quezon City neighborhood to give aid for the poor amid the COVID-19 pandemic. His official YouTube page has over 1 million followers, while several Facebook pages and support groups are under his name, with tens of thousands of subscribers. Sa ngayon, ito lang ang impormasyon na ating nakuha. The more information na ating magagather ay ating i-share ito dito sa Allen Online TV. Maraming pong salamat, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for more video updates.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Allen Online TV. See you in our next video episode.